Well, we're seeing some mostly clear skies to the south of our area over parts of California, but different story as you get out towards the central part. We did have that cold front that has been very slow moving across the southern plains. More showers and thunderstorms across the region today, and ahead of that frontal boundary, it continues to be very hot and humid. A lot of moist air coming up off the Gulf of Mexico. Temperatures today again in the upper 80s and the low 90s in many places. Here's that hot weather back toward the west. 96 for a high today in Las Vegas, 97 in Sacramento. Our temperatures today are averaging 10 to 12 degrees above average for this time of year. Also, we saw a high temperature today of 84 in Medford, Wairika, and Mount Shasta City, upper 70s out toward the Klamath Basin. So some partly clear skies. Again, this front will continue to kind of sag down toward our region over the next 2 or 3 days. And as it does, most of the precipitation, if we see any, will likely be west of the Cascades and especially out toward the coast. One thing that it will do is it'll bring some cooler air down off the North Pacific waters into our region, so temperatures will come down anywhere from about 10 to 15 degrees over the next few days through about Wednesday. For tomorrow, low 60s out on the coast. Again, partly cloudy, but a chance of a few isolated showers at times. Inland, we'll see partly cloudy skies, but it should stay relatively dry. Northern California looking at some highs tomorrow in the mid-70s. In the Klamath Basin, temperatures will cool down a bit, generally in the mid-60s to the low 70s for highs. We'll see 60s over much of the most of the mountain areas, both the Cascades and the Siskiyous tomorrow, and in the Rogue and other western valleys, partly cloudy. High temperatures coming down about 10 degrees from today. We're looking at about 74 in Medford, 73 for Grants Pass, Cave Junction, and Ashland. Over the next 7 days, the coastal forecast will be fairly dry. We just have that chance of seeing a few isolated showers at times. Temperatures will warm back up as we get out closer to the weekend with highs in the upper 60s. In the Klamath Basin, we have a cool day on Wednesday, a high of only 60, but then some sunshine returning for Thursday and Friday. In Northern California, we'll see temperatures also cool down midweek, but back up into the upper 70s by the weekend. And for the Rogue Valley, we get down to about 66 on Wednesday, but then after that, a little bit of at least partial sunshine coming back. High temperatures back up into the upper 70s by the weekend. So we've had some hot weather lately, some rainy weather, but this week is going to be much closer to normal for this time of year, which is generally low 70s for highs.
I hope so, because even though it cooled down, I know that heat stuck around because it's been hot. It's been hot.
Yes, it certainly has.
It gets trapped in your house if you're not there.
It is. Right. It does. My dog doesn't appreciate it. What can you do? Thank you, Milt. We're back.